Lockheed Martin's secretive Skunk Works, in collaboration with the U.S. Air Force, has successfully conducted the first flight test of the U-2 Dragon Lady, equipped with an enhanced avionics suite and cockpit displays. This test flight is the result of a $50 million U.S. contract for the Avionics Tech Refresh, or ATR, which was awarded to Lockheed in 2020. The U-2 spy plane, which is primarily renowned for its high-altitude capabilities, played a pivotal role during the Cold War era. But the aircraft is supposed to be retired in 2026. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why the U.S. Air Force is upgrading the U-2 Dragon Lady in spite of impending retirement. Let's get started. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The Lockheed U-2, nicknamed Dragon Lady, is an American single-engine, high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft operated from the 1950s by the United States Air Force and the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA. Currently, it's operated only by the United States Air Force. One of the remarkable attributes of the U-2 is its exceptional ability to operate at extreme altitudes. It was designed to reach more than 60,000 feet, that's 18,000 meters high, in 12 minutes and 30 seconds. In 1989, it ascended to an astonishing altitude of 73,700 feet in just 16 minutes after takeoff, nearly reaching the edge of outer space. The high-altitude capability was specifically incorporated so that the aircraft could overfly the Soviet Union and take aerial photographs for intelligence assessment. This was supposed to allow the U-2 to fly well above the operative ceiling of then-current air defense systems. The U-2's cameras were specially designed by James G. Baker of Harvard and Richard Scott Perkin of the Perkin-Elmer Company, initially in collaboration and later separately, and were instrumental in enabling the aircraft to gather excellent intelligence data. While the high-altitude ability couldn't save U-2 from being shot down by a Soviet missile in 1960, this aspect is keeping it in service. For example, recently the U.S. military deployed the U-2 in response to the high-altitude Chinese spy balloons that had entered U.S. and Canadian airspace. The U-2 is one of a handful of aircraft types to have served the USAF for over 50 years, along with the Boeing B-52, Boeing KC-135, Lockheed C-130, and Lockheed C-5. Despite the advanced age of the existing U-2 fleet, the United States Air Force currently maintains a fleet of 27 fully operational aircraft. Lockheed Martin announced on September 26th that an Air Force U-2 Dragon Lady aircraft successfully completed its first flight with its newly upgraded avionics system. Lockheed stated that during this mission, the aircraft successfully performed a low-altitude functional check flight to integrate new avionics, cabling, and software. As per Lockheed, the ATR first flight marks a milestone in the U-2's modernization efforts and its path to be the first fully Open Mission System, or OMS, compliant fleet. Further testing will solidify a mature software baseline before mission systems are introduced to ensure both functionality and interoperability to meet operational needs. Sean Thatcher, U-2 Avionics Tech Refresh Program Manager at Lockheed Martin Skunk Works, stated, "The successful first flight of the U-2 Avionics Tech Refresh is a significant moment in our journey to rapidly and affordably field new capabilities. Leveraging the platform's open architecture, We're expediting these capabilities needed for the future Joint All-Domain Operations battlespace. The Avionics Tech Refresh, or ATR, is a comprehensive upgrade to the U-2. As per Lockheed, this includes 1. An updated avionics suite, communications, navigation, display, etc., that modernizes the U-2's onboard system to readily accept and use new technology. 2. A new mission computer designed to the U.S. Air Force's Open Mission Systems, or OMS, standard that enables the U-2 to integrate with systems across air, space, sea, land, and cyber domains at disparate security levels. This hardware and software enhancement, based on an open mission systems approach, is expected to provide ongoing support to the U-2 throughout its planned service life. 3. The new modern cockpit displays to make pilot tasks easier while enhancing the presentation of the data the aircraft collects to enable faster, better informed decisions. The company further stated that subsequent testing will prioritize the establishment of a robust software foundation before integrating mission systems, ensuring operational effectiveness and seamless interoperability to meet functional requirements. The future of the U-2 Dragon Lady spy aircraft, with its rich history and impressive capabilities, has been a subject of uncertainty within the U.S. Air Force. Its relevance in the modern era has come under scrutiny, primarily due to advancements in satellite technology. Many experts have stated that satellites can do what U-2 can, and at a much cheaper cost. The current plan within the service is to retire the U-2 aircraft by 2026. However, there's been no official announcement regarding its replacement. One potential candidate is the classified Northrop Grumman RQ-180 stealth drone. In the past, Congress has opposed the retirement of the U-2 aircraft. Despite this impending retirement, efforts are underway to ensure its continued relevance during its remaining operational years. The United States is actively exploring ways to utilize the U-2 platform for testing state-of-the-art technologies intended for future aircraft. The Avionics Tech Refresh effort is a step in this direction.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.